In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under Ace to Trace. We are going to focus on the subtopic merits and the merits of transportation together with documents used in transportation. So we have about 19 to 21 questions practiced in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the cost of transporting goods to consumers called carried inward, carried paid, carried forward, carried outward. Right answer is option D, carried outward. Next question is this one. It says which of the following best describes the bill of lading? A document of title to the goods, a document acknowledging shipment of goods, an evidence of receipt of the goods on board, an evidence of payment of custom duties. The right answer is option B, guys. A document acknowledging shipment of goods, very important. Next question is this one. It says the development of commercial activities in Nigeria was facilitated largely by a good transport system, a convenient medium of exchange, a high level of production, the indigenization decree. The right answer is option A, the good transport system. Next question is one. It says a document showing full details of the goods and passengers carried in a ship or aircraft is consignment notes. We have consular invoice, bill of lading, manifest. The right answer is option D, manifest. Very important. Next question is one. It says a document issued by the seller's own courier and signed by the customer to acknowledge receipt of goods is where delivery note, consignment note, freight note, where advice notes. So guys, the right answer is option A, delivery notes. Okay, next question is one. It says an advantage of freight transport is that it enhances door-to-door delivery, is less expensive to maintain, carries bulky and heavy goods, is not prone to delays. The advantage is option C, carries bulky and heavy goods. Next question is one. Says why is claim bill of lading called so? It shows records of damaged goods. No. It signifies no debt is owed. No. It shows no records of damaged goods. Yes, option C. Okay, next question is one. It says the document that lists the goods that are being sent from one place to another is well consular invoice, bill of lading, mail transfer, shipping notes. So guys, the right answer is option D, shipping notes. Okay, next question is one. It says low cost of maintenance is one of the merits of, we have pipeline transportation, water transportation, air transportation, road transportation. So the right answer is option A, pipeline transportation. Very important. Next question is one. It says a document showing full details of the goods. I think I already answered a similar question. The right answer is option D, manifest. Next question is one. It says the main advantage of road transport is that it is safe and available, convenient and flexible, common and fast, cheap, and the right answer is option B, is convenient and flexible. Next question is one. It says advantages of pipeline transport include or except low maintenance costs, prone to leakages, continuous flow of goods. It is safe. So the exception is B, is prone to leakages. Next question is one. It says one major advantage of transportation to business is to ensure that goods are produced faster, procure raw materials cheaply, extend defense market coverage, ensure the quality of goods. So right answer is option C, it extends the firm's market coverage. Next question is one. It says advantages of pipeline transportation include or except. I think this is a question. The exception is prone to leakages. Option A. Next question is one. It says freight notes, a document issued by shipping company giving details of charges given by importer to pay for goods at a further period, used by government to transport goods from one country to another, used for payment for imported goods. So the right answer is option A, is issued by a shipping company giving details of charges. Next question is one. It says the document issued by a port authority for goods deposited is a rare bill of sites, consular invoice, bill of lading, warehouse warrants. The right answer is option D, warehouse warrants. Option D, guys. Next question is one. It says which of the following is used to inform the address C the registered parcel is ready for collection? So it's slip. Option B. Okay, next question is one. It says the advantage of supermarket include or except restricted only to urban centers, uses of price tags, low prices of goods, operate self-service system. Right, the exception is option A, is restricted only to urban centers. Next question is one. The main advantage of road transport is that it is convenient and flexible. Option D,